Did you know? A lot of people think snoring is just a sign of being tired, but it could actually be a hint that something's off with your airway, and ignoring it might make sleep quality worse over time. When you sleep, air passing through a narrow throat or nasal passage makes soft tissues vibrate, creating that annoying sound. Relaxed throat muscles, nasal congestion, or even the shape of your airway can make it louder and more frequent. One solution is a procedure called uvuloplasty. Doctors place 3 absorbable barbed sutures into the soft palate, lifting it a few millimeters and making it firmer.